Hello and welcome to Miss Curran's Kitchen. Before we get started on anything today, I want to give a big shout out to all the mothers out there watching. Happy Mother's Day. I hope you felt appreciated. You all are incredible. Now today we are going to be making monster cookies. This is a little bit of a different recipe because it's not a cookie recipe. We're actually using a cake mix, which gives it a little bit of a different texture and flavor. We're also going to do a little bit of monster math. Now, if you are a student, you need to make sure you have parental supervision when baking in the kitchen, and everyone needs to wash their hands before we get started, including myself. So we'll go ahead and do that, and then we'll get started. Now you're gonna scoop the dough into round balls and coat them in sugar. Now, since the dough is sticky, I coated my hand in Pam and the little scooper that I used. If you don't have a little scooper, you can use a teaspoon or a regular spoon, but I recommend that you coat it in some cooking spray or Pam so that you don't get dough all over your hands. So you're gonna roll it into a ball and coat it in sugar. Let's do a little monster math addition. Here, you just have to add the numbers together and then monsters will appear in the gray spots, and it'll be super fun practice. Click the link below and you can play some monster math.
Can you count it? Oh, that cookie? Good. 2. How many are on this one?
3.
Oh, very good. How do you know that? 1,
1,
2, 3. Yep. Say it louder.
Thank you, Auntie.
Thank you all for joining me today in Miss Curran's Kitchen. I hope you had fun making monster cookies and doing a little bit of monster math. I want to give a big shout out again to my nephew Killian for practicing his counting skills, making monster cookies and counting the eyeballs. I also want to give a big shout out to Liliana Jimenez in 4th grade for submitting her lightsaber place value math and getting all of the answers correct. So great job, Liliana. And I will see you all next week on Miss Curran's Kitchen. Have a great day.